Hello students, welcome back to QA Online Academy. I'm Annie and I'm so glad to see you again. I hope you've had a chance to thoroughly review the material from our previous lessons. Knowledge builds layer by layer. Today, we are diving into HTML basic examples. We'll cover the fundamental tags you'll use every single day. Don't worry if we see some tags we haven't officially covered yet. We will explain everything as we go. Ready? Let's begin. Every HTML document must start with a document type declaration. The document itself begins with the opening HTML tag and ends with the closing HTML tag. The visible part of your web page, the content users actually see, is placed between the body tags. Here is a simple example: a doc type, HTML tags, and a body containing a heading and a paragraph. The declaration represents the document type. It helps browsers display web pages correctly. It must appear only once at the very top of the page before any other HTML tags. It's not case sensitive, but the standard for HTML5 is simply doctype HTML in angle brackets. Next, let's talk about headings. They are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, usually your main title, while H6 is the least important. Paragraphs are just as simple. We define them using the P tag for regular blocks of text. To create links, we use the A tag. The destination is specified in the href attribute. Attributes provide additional information about elements. You'll learn much more about them soon. Images use the img tag. We provide the source file, alternative text, and dimensions as attributes. The src tells the browser where the image is, and alt provides text if the image can't load. Have you ever seen a web page and wondered, hey, how did they do that? You can actually check. Just right-click and select View Page Source, or press Ctrl+U to see the raw HTML code. You can also choose Inspect to see exactly how specific elements and their CSS are constructed. Now it's time for a quick exercise. I want you to open PyCharm on your computer right now. Create a simple HTML page with one H1 heading and one link. I'll give you 10 seconds. Time's up! Here's the solution. You should have your H1 and your A tag neatly inside the body. That's it for today's lesson. You've taken a big step toward mastering HTML structure. Great work! Make sure to watch our next chapter, HTML Elements, and keep practicing what you learned today. Please join us and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels. Your feedback helps us grow. Practice hard, and I will see you in the next chapter. Goodbye for now.